Mass production and 3D printing technology? Let's take a look at 2 units of Zortrax Inkspire 3D printer. On the left, the Inkspire will print only 2 parts. The right one will print a whole platform, 30 pieces of custom earbuds. After pouring the resin into the tank and putting the cover on, we can start the printing process. In manufacturing, production time usually increases with the number of elements you want to produce. Each change in the project increases this time even more. But voila! Zortrax Inkspire can print a whole batch of earbuds at exactly the same time as printing 1 pair. And it's extremely easy to scale up the production process. Imagine you had 16 printers. You could produce 480 elements in just 1.5 hours. What's even better? Printing the whole platform doesn't influence the final result. You don't need to sacrifice the quality for the sake of time and cost. It's always on time, on spec, on budget. Save money and time. Choose Zortrax Inkspire.